Most people think making money online is all hype or scams. But here's the truth. There's a smart and legitimate way to do it using Canva and Etsy, and it's simpler than you'd expect. You don't need to be a graphic designer or tech expert. All you need is some patience, creativity, and the willingness to follow through with the process. In this video, I'm going to break down, step by step, how you can start earning by selling Canva templates on Etsy. I'll explain everything, from finding products that actually sell to creating templates in Canva and putting them up for sale. By the end, you'll not only know how to do this, but also why it works and how you can keep it going long term. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Step 1. Research in demand. Digital products. Let's start with a question most people ask. How do I even know what to sell? This is where most people get stuck because they either overthink it or dive in blindly. Here's the thing. Your goal is to sell something people are already looking for. You're not trying to invent the next big thing or guess what might trend in the future. Instead, you're identifying items that already have demand. One of the best tools for figuring this out is a Chrome extension called Everb. This tool connects to Etsy and shows you detailed analytics about the products listed there. It gives you data like how much revenue a product is making each month, how many reviews it has, and even how long the shop selling it has been active. This is all super valuable data because it lets you spot trends, see what's selling well, and find opportunities where you can fit in. Here's how to use it. Once you've installed Everb and set it up, head to Etsy and type something general like Canva templates into the search bar. The extension will analyze the search results and pull up all kinds of information. You'll see which templates are making the most money, which ones are newer but already performing well, and how competitive certain niches are. For example, you might notice that simple templates like wedding invitations or social media planners are doing really well. Pay attention to a few key things here. First, look for products with high monthly revenue and newer listings. If a shop has been around for years, that's great, but it might mean they already dominate that niche. A newer shop with strong sales suggests there's still room for someone like you to enter the market. Second, think about niches that make sense with your skills or interests. For example, if you love organizing, you might lean toward planners. If you're into design, things like business cards or logos could be your focus. Step 2. Create your own template. This part might feel intimidating if you're not used to designing, but Canva makes it surprisingly easy. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's free to start. Canva has a huge library of pre-made templates, and you'll use these as a foundation to create your own products. Let's say you've decided to make wedding invitation templates. Type wedding invitations into Canva's search bar, and you'll get dozens of template options. Pick one that stands out to you and open it up. Now, here's the important part. You don't want to just resell Canva's existing designs. That's not only lazy, but it's also against their terms of use. Instead, you're going to customize it to make it unique and valuable. Start by changing the colors and fonts. Think about what might appeal to your target audience. For wedding invitations, softer tones like pastels might work well, and elegant fonts can give it a professional touch. Then, adjust the layout to make it your own. Move elements around, resize them, or add new details that weren't there before. If you want to take it a step further, you can combine elements from multiple templates to create something entirely fresh. Canva lets you drag and drop elements easily, so this part is more about experimenting than anything else. While you're designing, always keep usability in mind. Ask yourself, would someone who buys this be able to edit it easily? Most buyers want templates they can quickly customize with their own details, like names, dates, or logos. Make sure your design allows for that. For example, leave space for text and keep the layout clean so it doesn't overwhelm them. Step 3. Prepare your template. Here's where a lot of people get confused because Etsy doesn't let you upload a Canva file directly. Instead, you'll be sharing a Canva template link, and you'll be using a PDF to deliver this link to your customers on Etsy. Here's how it works. In Canva, click on the Share button at the top of your design, then select Template Link. This creates a unique link that allows buyers to open the template in their own Canva account and edit it without affecting your original file. Copy this link and save it for the next step. Next, you'll create a PDF document to deliver the link to your buyers. Open a new Canva project and design a simple, professional-looking PDF. Include a thank you message and clear instructions on how to use the template link. For example, you can write something like, "Thank you for your purchase." Click the link below to access your template. Open it in Canva and customize it with your details. Paste the link into the PDF, and when you're done, download it as a PDF file. Step 4. List and market your template. If you don't already have an Etsy account, sign up and set up your shop. The platform will guide you through the basics like choosing a shop name and adding payment details. Once your shop is ready, go to Add a Listing and start uploading your product. When you're listing your template, the details you include can make a massive difference in whether or not it sells. Your title should be descriptive and include keywords that people are likely to search for. For example, instead of just writing wedding invitation template, you could write editable wedding invitation template for Canva, instant download. The description is your chance to explain what buyers are getting, how they can use it, and why it's worth purchasing. Be clear and thorough. Don't assume they already know how Canva works. Pricing is another key factor. Look at what similar products are selling for and price yours competitively. If you're just starting out, you might want to price a little lower to attract your first customers and build up reviews. Once you've established yourself, you can raise your prices. Finally, upload your product images. This is what buyers will see first, so make them as good-looking and eye-catching as possible. Use Canva to create mock-ups that show your template in action. For example, display it on a wedding invitation card or a computer screen. Make sure the images are clear and professional looking. They should give buyers confidence that your product is high quality. After your listing is live, your work isn't done. You'll need to promote it to get traffic to your shop. Share your listings on social media, join Etsy-related forums or Facebook groups, and optimize your shop with good keywords. The more eyes you get on your products, the higher your chances of making sales. The key to making money with this method is consistency. Keep researching new niches, creating new templates, and improving your listings based on what's working. It takes time to build up momentum, but once you do, the sales can become steady and reliable. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. What kind of templates are you thinking of creating? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.